Welcome to day one of me cleaning my house until I feel stress-free. I've been on a mission to get clutter out of my house for some time now, and it always does seem to clutter back up, but with 6 people living in a smallish house, I know that that's typical, and with the things being brought home, it happens. So I'm giving myself grace, but I have 65 days until baby number 5 comes, so I'm going to work until I feel ready to bring this sweet girl into this world, and who knows, she might come sooner. So today during nap time, I just worked on cleaning up stuff off of the floors, and then tomorrow hopefully I can start on surfaces, getting things more organized. So follow along, hit the subscribe button if this is something you're into. It's day 2 of cleaning and decluttering until my house feels clutter-free. We're on the countdown until baby number 5 comes into this world, and things are getting crazy. Not really, but I just want to have things in order to my best ability before baby girl comes into the world, and also I just want to walk into my home and feel at ease with less clutter. So if that's something you're into, follow along, subscribe if you're new. And I'm going to do this challenge up until hopefully this new little girl comes into the world. So I've never been a good picker-upper as I cook. So I've really been working on that. And I'm making a hash brown casserole and also lasagna bake for tonight for dinner. It's hard to believe I've been making speed cleaning videos for a little over 6 years now. My main goal in making these kind of videos were to motivate myself to clean up my mess, my kids' mess, and just the messes of life in general. But I really wanted to motivate others as I made these videos. I figured what better way than to show the disasters that have happened in our home and to be realistic with everyone. So I've gone through a lot of phases in my almost 10 years of homemaking. The buying clutter, trying to find my style, hoarding things. And after 4 kids and 1 on the way, I've realized simple and minimal works best for us. I love making new friends, so if you're new here, please consider following along and joining my little cleaning community. There's always something to clean up in our house, so I hope you enjoy this video. You have 2 people in this world. The type who keeps a super tidy home and the type who doesn't, and I am the one who doesn't. It's always a priority of mine to keep a clean home, but the messes just keep coming, and with children I think that is normal. So I give myself a lot of grace, but I also work super hard to maintain and to minimize the messes. So this is day 3 of getting my life together before we welcome our 5th baby into this world. And I'm just going to keep this challenge going until my house feels super decluttered and clean. Follow along. Subscribe if you're new. Bye for now. It has been a super productive day of getting this laundry completed. This was my first load, and I'm spraying my daughter's clothes with some stain remover because she is a messy eater. And then I'm sorting through all of my pregnancy clothes. And I had to make a coffee because I was exhausted by this point of this day. But I am super pumped that I got most of the laundry done. I have about 2 more loads that I need to get done today, and if they get done, they get done, and if they don't, that is fine. I am sitting here picking up my kids from school, and it is just a super good day. Tomorrow is my 30-week appointment at the doctor for baby number 5, so I'm super excited to see what they have to say. And we're just gonna have a good rest of our day, so I hope you guys do as well. Hope you enjoy some outdoor time. See you next time.
Don't stop, just keep going, don't you stress. Have some fun, don't take it so
I promise these clothes weren't laying there from being worn. I had thrown them out of my dresser so that I could prepare to sort and get rid of clothes. They ended up on my bed, which ended up on the floor. So anyways, this is day 6 of cleaning and decluttering my house until it feels cluttered free. And I am feeling super motivated, super good about where we're headed. So in that chest, I have all of my non-maternity clothes. And now I'm sorting through all of my maternity-ish clothes and trying to get a better idea of what I have, what I need to donate, and getting excited to be back in normal clothes once sweet baby number 5 comes along. Subscribe if you're new. Tell me what you're up to. Tell me if you're on a minimalizing journey yourself. I'd love to chat with you in the comments. See you in our next video. This whole bag is going to Goodwill. Jared's been working hard decluttering. There is a hurricane that is supposed to hit tomorrow, and here I am on day 7 cleaning my son's room because it needs to get decluttered, and we need to go through all of his clothes, and I'm just going to get rid of some of the toys while we're in here. They kind of play in each room. They don't have one specific toy room that they play in. So one trash bag is full, and now I am just gonna go through all of his drawers, get his clothes out, and start decluttering that way, see what still fits him, what needs to be given to his cousin. Today, the family and I went for an ultrasound for our sweet baby number 5. She is looking perfect. Her weight and her height and everything is looking great and on chart. So we are super excited for her to join our family in 53 short days. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so you can watch our journey. See you in our next video. Day 8 of decluttering and clearing out my house until it feels cluttered free. We are on this journey together, and sometimes it feels discouraging because it's like everywhere I look, there's a mess being created. But I'm also trying to look at it through eyes of gratitude and knowing that I have a safe, healthy home for my children to grow up in, and working on things that we can do to put better systems in place so that we don't have to feel so overwhelmed all the time with the messes. And for me, I know that that is getting the majority of the clutter out of my house. So I have a total of almost 8 bags of trash and donation that are piled up and ready to go out the door. If you enjoy this, please subscribe so you can see our next journey and our next video. Also, with all the disaster going on around the world, make sure you love on your family. Hug them and tell them how much you love them. We have made it to day 10 of cleaning and decluttering until my house feels clutter-free, and I feel like I am finally putting a dent in the house. I just looked at my baby app, and I'm 50 weeks until baby number 5 gets here. So I'm super pumped to be making leadway in the house and finally feeling like I'm getting somewhere, getting some good habits put in place, and really just trying to be a better housekeeper and manager of our possessions. And I think that will trickle into every aspect of my life if I can better manage my home and just be more disciplined in a lot of areas in my own life. I hope you guys are enjoying the series, and I hope you're finding it motivating. And if you are, please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know what you're up to. And if you're on the same journey. See you guys in my next video.